Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Walgreen Boots Alliance, and as you can see the data we have for this stock is from 1980, and this is a very strong chart because from the lows of 1980s it has given you a return of 46,525% till 2015, and in the last 5 years we have all obviously seen some correction, which is not bad, I would say, if you are holding it from the lows of 1980s or in early 90s or in early 2000s or even after 2007 also. But if you're holding after let's say after 2000, then obviously you are not in profit. Okay, so that's the thing you need to look at. Probably uh, it has been in a consolidating range in the last 20 odd years, that obviously you need to look. So maybe you may or may not agree with that, but as you can see in the chart it is quite evident and visible. So we are going to discuss about all these things, but before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the all notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now, if you are someone who is understanding about the trend or who has some understanding about the trend, it is very visible that the chart has already broken. And being known to charts or familiar or with charts, you might or you may able to find out the trend beforehand. So let me simply move to the line chart for the time being. Okay, so as you can see here you have okay, or you can, rather using this, you can use something like this. As you can see here, it is quite visible that the chart has broken the range. Okay, and it has fallen down. So one should probably take a view that 68 was the level below which one should not carry any positions, or the better way to do this thing is to use a close support level, okay, which is close to the trend. So which is something which is here, it is like this, or you just need to manage this thing a bit. Okay, so here you have your trend. Yep, it is something like this. This one, yeah. So anyhow, so you have it right now that below, as I told you, not 68, 61, it went down to 46 again, retested its high at 64 and again falls back. So there are indications for that if you know how to read the chart. Now it has already broken. So in the intermediate trend, the chart has obviously broken on the downside, but the thing which you need to look at is the current chart trend. Okay, so here we have, so probably the correction is not yet over, as you can see in this chart. And as I've already told you that it has been in a consolidating range, so which is very much clear in this chart. What you need to do, you need to just have a look at it. Okay, so here you are, here we have the trend. So this was the big support which will help this falling stock price to take some respite upon, and probably this is the level from which near to which the stock could probably move on the upside or take in support and start moving on the upside in the long term. You better use this. So there are two ranges. Okay, so you have your big support, which is in between 25 21.56 and 22.65 on the downside. So looking at this trend, one could see that the correction probably is not yet over, although there is also a support in between. So the first line of support will come at $28, then you have 22, and final you have 21.56. On the upside, you have your first resistance or target at 45.87, then you have 49.79, okay, above which you have your big target at 97, and this is also works like a resistance. So as you can see here, the chart has been moving inside a range in the last 20 plus years. So obviously, if you are looking at this chart from 1980, this looks like a long-term consolidation. But if you are looking at this chart after 2000, then obviously it's a flat and consolidated chart. So what you need to do, you just need to respect the support and the resistance level. On the downside, you have 21.56, below which one should not carry any position, and your biggest upside for the time being is 97.59, or not 97, you just need to scroll this up, probably $100 on the upside. So unless the stock moves, makes a breakout and sustain above $100, there will not be a fresh trend. So let the stock decide and move above $100, then we will discuss about the upcoming trend. Till then, be inside the range, respect the support and resistance, and use your stop losses accordingly. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.